promised you a little content today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take this dent and get rid of it, at least somewhat. And I want to try and do it without wrecking the paint, the patina, so on and so forth, a little bit. I've never done this before. As you can see, this kit, I've never been into it before. It's just a simple Princess Auto Harbor Freight kind of deal. We got this guy on there. That's the one actually I'm going to use. We're going to sandwich that up inside there. We're going to open her up. I'll probably have to get a little bit of lumber there or something in there, and then just kind of pump it up, open it, and we'll see how she goes. I got my brother over there sitting there smoking those cigarettes, and he'll give me a hand, and we'll see if we can't get this straightened out. I'll get you guys set up on the tripod, and we'll see how it goes. Don't judge me too hard. I've never used this before, so hope there's oil in it. Right. As he presses that down, it's going to open that tool up. I don't really have a good spot for you to be inside here, but I'll just get you up inside there. So it's between the bed of the truck, so the floor, and then basically that's this body line here. So I got that there, and I'm gonna give her a go. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully you guys can watch that. Slowly unfold. All right, here we go. Okay, go ahead, Riz. Go ahead.
What?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Take her back. Okay, again. Got quite a ways to go.
All right.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. A little more. Start to be easy on it, but keep going.
It's really pushing.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Take her back. Okay, let's do it again. Whoa.
Ready?
Yep. What? Okay. Like you're saying you're at max, or?
It feels like it's there.
Okay. Back her off. I'll need a piece of wood, I guess.
Ooh, that's working like a charm. It's looking a lot straighter out here.
right, is that a success or a failure? I guess kind of depends how you look at it. I popped this one out too while the GoPro was cooling down a bit. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was for sure. Up front, remember we were caved right in there. I'll see if I can, I'm not a great editor, but I'll try to put it in right here. Okay, I don't know if that worked or not. If it did work, you would have seen it was crushed in before. Now, not quite so bad. Still, you know, I'm not a body man, so I got some hammer marks and whatnot here. I guess I still have choices now. I can leave it as it's better than the crushed in bedside. I could, you know, get in there and do a little more work to it, put some filler in it. I also got one of those stud pullers, so it welds a stud on there, and then you use a puller and you pull back on it. You know, the problem is you're gonna be doing some paint and some filler work and all that kind of stuff, and I want to avoid that. So while this isn't smooth by any stretch of the imagination, it sure looks better than, you know, what was caved in before. It looked like a tractor hit it or something. So there we go. Success, hit, miss, I don't know. I think I paid $100 for this thing, and it came with some other attachments too. All I've tried is that one. I don't even know what these other attachments really do. Maybe we could have used something on here, I don't know. Oh well, whatever, we didn't, so c'est la vie. Anyway, that'll do it for another one. Be sure to check back. I might have another one this week yet. I want to get some more stuff done on this old girl. And also, this guy is still for sale, $1,000. For you, my American friends, what's that, about $412? But this one's ready to go. It's a 69 GMC, it's a 250, it runs. It's a 3 in the tree. Literally 3 in the tree, because reverse doesn't work. There's no for it. So yeah, she's rough. She's rougher than a night in jail. But you know, you got to start somewhere, I suppose. You're looking for a good first project vehicle. I don't know. That might be it. You're gonna learn your lessons the hard way, like I do. That's gonna do it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. All right, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it.